Done. So basically in this video we are going to learn the 3-step law of success. What is the 3-step law which every successful business uses, but no one tells you, no one basically shares this information, but this is quite standard, and if you will also follow that 3-step rule, you'll also be making huge money. You'll be successful in your career. Like, it's not just money is not the only thing. There are lots of things, like if you don't want to be just in business, if you want to do a job or whatever it is, you'll have to follow this 3-step law, which is, but you'll have to do, first of all, you'll have to build a value. Basically, value, what is a value? A value is something, basically a value is something when you are creating a positive change in someone's life, that is called a value, right? So what you have to do is you have to provide value in someone else's life. Basically, if I am inventing a car which runs out of water, so what I am doing, I am creating a value in people's life by creating a car which runs out of water, so that they can save their petrol or diesel prices, right? That's a value. Suppose a software, take an example of a software. What a software does, a software is providing a value by making your task easy, right? A mobile phone is providing you value, like you can have a mobile phone and you can do a lot of stuff with it. So that's a value which the mobile phone is providing. So what you have to do is, if you want to be a successful person, a successful businessman, or a successful freelancer, or a successful basically employee, what you have to do is you have to work on a value. You have to create a value in someone else's life. People don't pay for the products. You don't just pay for that smart LED television, right? You pay for the entertainment, you pay for the enlightenment, you pay for basically the feeling which you will get, right? People pay for the value, people don't pay for the products. So what you will have to do is you have to create a value, you have to plan a value. Basically, in simple words, a value is something, a value is like a positive change which you can bring with your actions in someone else's life. That is value, right? And after creating that value, now you have created the value, what you will have to do is, right, you have created the value, but what you will have to do now, basically you will have now to expose it among the people. Even if you will invent the car which runs out of water, but it is not people don't know about it, it is not among the people, like it's like you have developed a car, you have designed a car, you have invented it, and you're just using it for your own, no one knows about it, right? Then you can't monetize it. You have to expose it then among the people, and when you build a value, then expose it among the people, then monetization is an automatic process. You don't have to work hard for it, it will come automatically, right? Because people also need that cars which runs out of water, and if you have that cars, like people are ready to pay the prices, you know, to sell those cars, and basically that's the deal is done. Monetization is the third process, right? And it depends. The point here, the most important thing to learn here is, basically people are worried about how much value, how much money they'll be able to make, right? So basically the thing is, the thing here is, the more the value, the more positive change you will bring in people's life, right? The more positive change you will be bringing in people's life, and the more amount they will be ready to pay you for that. You'll have to bring, right? If you are a doctor and you are helping those people by saving their lives, then you can charge more, you can charge at what price what you want for your services. But if you are bringing a small change, then people will pay you in pennies for that. So it's always about the price for your product, is always about the amount of value you are providing. And another thing, expose it among the people. Suppose if you are providing a value worth 1 lakh rupees, but you can just sell it to 1,000 or 10,000 people, that's fine. Then also you'll be able to make a good revenue. But if suppose you are providing a value of rupees 1,000 or 10,000, but you are able to provide it to 1 million or 100,000 people, then also it will be the same amount, right? So basically these two factors, number 1 and number 2, building a value and expose it among the people, both go simultaneously. If you are providing a big value to the people, then basically there will be less number of people, but ultimately your revenue will be the same. And if you are providing a big small value basically, and if you basically are able to help more number of people with your value, and then basically you'll be able to monetize more. Again, the point is, monetization is the automatic process. You have to focus only on the value. If you'll be focusing on the value and the channels by which you can expose it among the people, then monetization is very automatic and very simple process. There is no hard things about it. And what digital marketing does is digital marketing helps you in exposing your product among the people. That's what digital marketing do, right? It helps you, whatever the product you have designed, you have invented, you have planned, digital marketing helps you in exposing your product among the people, because people are using internet every day, every time. And your basically it will help you in approaching and basically finding those people who are ready to pay for your products. That's what we do with digital marketing. And how basically we get that done, how what are the processes and that all things we'll see in the later on sessions, right? So this was the thing which we have learned, like this is the most important law which any successful business follows, and you'll have to follow these 3-step rule. You can't ignore it if you want to be successful, right? So, and in the next session we'll see, is digital marketing for you, what do you do, and how it can help you with your personal goals, right? So meanwhile, stay connected, stay tuned, and let us know in the comments about how much did you like the video. Thanks.